Okay, good afternoon, Doctor.
Good afternoon, Bernard.
Thank you for receiving us. You are a famous phlebologist. Please, would you be so kind to introduce yourself and explain to us what actually is phlebology and which kind of ailments you treat?
Well, thank you for the question. My name is Guillermo Uribe. I'm a Mexican guy, and actually I practice this branch of the medicine in Tijuana, Mexico. Well, the question is very, very good, Bernard, because nobody knows what a phlebologist means. Everybody knows about the different kind of branches of the medicine, but when you ask for some, even doctors, they don't know exactly what's the meaning of phlebology. Phlebology, you have it's a word composed of two Greek roots. Phlebo is vein, and the rest, logos, the treatment is specialized in the veins disease.
Which areas of the body do you actually treat?
Well, the most common, from the 80% of the varicose disease, is in the legs. So that's mainly what I treat. But you have to remember that the disease of the veins, it happens all over the body. There are varicose veins in the uterus, there's varicose veins in the stomach, and varicose veins all over the body. But because of the aesthetic problem of the women's, they became most interested in the treatment of the varicose veins of the legs. And the veins, they have a lot of diseases. It's not just varicose veins. They are the small, that people call spider veins, and the correct number is telangiectasia. And also there are more biggest veins that we call phlebectasia. And the varicose veins, it has 5 degrees. There are the smaller and even a very, very open, dilatate and tortuous veins. And also, there is another very common disease, that's thrombophlebitis. What those thrombophlebitis means is a clot inside the vein of the legs. It's most commonly in the pregnant, but it can suffer any kind of woman, thrombophlebitis. And another very, very sad disease that they suffer the woman, and also the man, of course, is the varicose ulcer, who has in the ankle.
Doctor,
legs.
am I correct to say that most of your treatments are outpatient treatments?
Well, yes, a very, very high percent. Yes, of course, when the clots are inside the veins and it's very, very gross or very important in the femoral vein, they call deep venous thrombosis. This is another kind of disease of the veins of the limbs, and sometimes you need to have to stay in the hospital. But actually, a very small percentage it happens.
You treat basically anything that's got to do with varicose veins from the slightest showing until very heavy ulcers in the veins, basically in the legs. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's talk about the worst case. Many diabetic people, for instance, have gangrene.
Yes.
You treat gangrene as well?
Well, the gangrene is the worst thing because it's almost dead tissue. So you have to chop that leg to study what kind of disease has in the arteries, because it has a clot or they are already closed. You have to do the specific diagnosis, and we study that.
Okay. Well, Doctor, thank you very much. The last question, one goes around and one sees many beauty-related places who offer treatment of varicose veins. How confiable is that? Well, many offer this laser treatment for varicose veins, for instance.
Well, everybody can offer whatever you want, but you have to first make the diagnosis, what kind of disease do you have? And then I can apply the specific treatment.
Doctor, you're now surrounded by your closest staff. Would you please introduce him?
Yes, of course. I'm very proud to present you my assistants. Chepina, Josie, has been with me 23 years ago. So she almost specialized. She knows very good how to treat patients. She knows a lot of things. And Magali is the youngest. She's around 12 years. 12 years with me, Magali. So it's a very, very good staff that I work, and I'm very proud to present you.
Well, I think they're very proud to have you as a boss, because you must be an excellent boss to stay with you that long time.
Well, it's not for me to tell you. It's from them, his opinion.
Okay, doctor, thank you very much, and have a nice weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you.